The Turkish military is a formidable force, widely considered one of the strongest in the region and globally ranked among the top 10. It boasts the second largest standing army in NATO after the US. As of 2025, Turkey maintains over 355,000 active personnel and a significant reserve force. Beyond sheer numbers, Turkey is increasingly self-reliant in its defense industry, producing top drones, indigenous tanks, warships, and even its own fighter jet. With a focus on regional security and power projection, Turkey actively deploys forces in conflict zones like Syria and Iraq and has military bases abroad, showcasing its growing strategic influence. Without further delay, let us take a look at the 15 deadly weapons of Turkey. Number 1. The Standoff Missile. Created by the company Roketsan, the Standoff Missile is a group of high-tech air-launched cruise missiles designed for hitting targets on land and at sea with precision. It features a flexible design, stealthy elements, and top-notch guidance systems like GPS, INS, and infrared seekers. There are different versions with various warhead options, and it has a range of over 250 kilometers, making it capable of being launched from fighter jets and drones. Number 2. The Atmaka anti-ship missile. Another Turkish missile designed to take out ships created by Roketsan. It is meant to replace the older Harpoon missiles and has some cool features like advanced guidance systems and a powerful warhead. It can hit targets over 220 kilometers away, skims the sea to avoid radar detection, and can receive updates mid-flight through a data link. Plus, it is versatile enough to be launched from surface ships, and it even nailed its first underwater launch in March 2025. Number 3. The Typhoon. Turkey recently showed off its new Typhoon Block 4, which is its first hypersonic ballistic missile, at IDEF 2025. This cutting-edge weapon weighs 2,300 kilograms and measures 6.5 meters long with a range of 800 kilometers. The Typhoon Block 4 can zoom along at speeds over Mach 5, making it super hard to spot or intercept. With this development, Turkey joins a select group of countries that have their own hypersonic missile tech, boosting its ability to strike strategically and increasing its influence in the region. The missile can take out various important targets with great accuracy. Number 4. The Bayraktar TB2. A well-known Turkish drone that has gained a solid reputation for its performance in recent conflicts and can handle tasks like intelligence gathering, surveillance, reconnaissance, and even launching attacks. The drone is equipped with a super reliable autopilot system and can fly on its own. It can carry up to 4 smart munitions that are laser-guided. It's impressive to note that it can stay in the air for up to 27 hours and operate at altitudes between 18,000 and 25,000 feet. Plus, it has been sold to more than 24 countries, which has really helped boost Turkey's defense industry reputation. Number 5. The Bayraktar Akinci. Larger and more powerful than the well-known TB2 and is built for a range of missions both in the air and on the ground. With a hefty payload capacity of 1,500 kilograms, and an endurance of about 25 hours. The Bayraktar Akinci is a serious piece of tech. It features advanced AI avionics, satellite communication, and several radar systems including AESA, which lets it carry a variety of weapons, including cruise missiles. The Akinci really boosts Turkey's drone game, functioning almost like a fighter jet but without a pilot inside, and it has already been sold to a number of countries. Number 6. The Tai Axang. Another cool twin-engine drone that's built for high altitudes and long missions. This bad boy can carry a hefty load of up to 750 kilograms and can stay in the air for more than 40 hours, reaching up to 6,500 kilometers. It is designed for all sorts of tasks like intelligence gathering, surveillance, and even strike missions. Plus, it can carry different types of weapons and is set up for maritime missions with special sensors and the option to use torpedoes. The Axang is already being sold to other countries as well. Number 7. The Hisar Air Defense System. Another indigenous weapon system designed to keep military assets safe from all kinds of aerial threats like planes, helicopters, drones, and cruise missiles. These systems feature modular design and can engage targets in all directions thanks to vertical launch capabilities. Plus, they use advanced guidance systems like infrared homing and RF seekers. Overall, the Hisar systems give Turkey a big boost in air defense independence, and they're already in serial production and being used by the Turkish armed forces. At number 8, the Alte, Turkey's first indigenous third-generation plus main battle tank, originally designed by Atmaca and later taken over by BMC, with some help from South Korea's K2 Black Panther. Alte boasts a 120mm smoothbore gun, cool composite armor, and an active protection system called Akkor, focusing on better survivability and firepower. After tackling some challenges with power pack, mainly getting a local engine called BMC Power BATU V12, mass production is now underway. The Alte is set to join the Turkish army in 2025, and there are plans for different versions which will have an unmanned turret. Number 9, the T155 Fertina, a 155mm self-propelled howitzer that's primarily inspired by South Korea's K9 Thunder. It has a .52 caliber gun that can hit targets as far as 40 kilometers away when using special ammo. The Fertina is known for its fast firing rate, quick setup, and improved fire control system. It has been used in a lot of Turkish military operations. The newer Fertina 2 version adds in local engines, more automation, and better comfort for the crew, which really boosts Turkey's artillery game. The T129 Attack is a twin-engine helicopter designed for attack and tactical reconnaissance, created by Turkish Aerospace Industries in partnership with Leonardo. It is built to perform well in tough conditions, offering great maneuverability, protection against bullets, and a lower chance of being detected. The helicopter features Turkish-made avionics and armaments, such as a 20mm cannon, anti-tank missiles, laser-guided rockets, and Stinger air-to-air missiles. It is used by the Turkish army and has also been sold to countries like the Philippines and Nigeria, which has helped Turkey boost its defense exports. Number 11, the Kizelma. The Bayraktar Kizelma is a cool new jet-powered drone designed for taking on both air and ground missions, and has a low radar profile, making it hard to detect. With its high maneuverability and smart AI features, it can operate independently too. The Kizelma can easily take off and land on short runway ships, which really expands where it can go. It carries its weapons inside to stay stealthy, and has advanced radars for better situational awareness. This next-generation drone is a big step forward for Turkey's defense tech and aims to work alongside manned fighter jets in future battles. At number 12, the Taykan, Turkey's cool and new 5th-generation stealth fighter jet, which is being developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries. It is set to replace the Turkish Air Force's F-16s and will also be available for export. The Khan is all about superiority and being versatile in its functions. It has got some impressive stealth features, twin engines, and can hit a top speed of Mach 1.8. Plus, it is packed with advanced avionics and homegrown weapons. It made its first flight in February 2024, and we can expect the first deliveries to the Turkish Air Force to roll out by 2028. Number 13, the Adaclass. The Adaclass corvettes are designed for anti-submarine warfare and high-seas patrol, while incorporating advanced stealth technology in their design and construction to reduce radar cross-section. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and a comprehensive combat management system, the Adaclass corvettes possess robust offensive and defensive capabilities. Their armament typically includes a 76mm main gun, anti-ship missiles, air defense systems, and anti-submarine torpedoes. The class also features a flight deck and hangar capable of accommodating a helicopter. 4 Adaclass corvettes are currently in service with the Turkish Navy. Number 14, Istanbul Class. Larger and better version of the Adaclass corvettes. Istanbul Class ships are meant to handle various tasks, including fighting other ships, defending against air attacks, and sub-hunting. They weigh around 3,000 tons and are over 113 meters long, designed to be stealthy to avoid detection on radar and other tracking methods. For armament, they come with 16 homegrown Atmaka anti-ship missiles, a 16-cell launching system for surface-to-air missile, a 76mm main gun, and various close-in weapon systems. They reach speeds over 29 knots and cover around 5,700 nautical miles. Number 15, the TGC Adidalu. Turkey's biggest warship and its first multi-purpose amphibious assault ship. Officially entering service on April 10, 2023. TGC Adidalu is based on the Spanish Juan Carlos I design and is meant to show off Turkey's military might both regionally and globally. Originally, it was supposed to carry F-35B jets, but after being kicked out of the F-35 program, its focus shifted mainly to transporting drones. Now it is set to launch a bunch of their indigenous drones. This ship is 231 meters long and can carry a full battalion with their vehicles. Plus, it has a top-notch hospital facilities. That means that it can also help in humanitarian missions and disaster relief.